Hello, I'm Mia, and I'm here to talk about the fire triangle. I'll be using this candle to demonstrate the three things that are needed for a fire to burn. Right now it's burning because all three things are present. Now one of them is the fuel. The fuel for a candle is the wax, but not just the solid wax. If it was the solid wax, the whole thing would just combust straight away. What actually happens is the heat from the candle melts the wax and it becomes a liquid. The wick draws that melted wax up and vaporizes it, and it's those waxy vapors as a gas that are fueling the flame. We can demonstrate this by blowing it out and relighting the candle without touching the wick. So the flame appeared to jump straight from the splint onto the wick, and that's because it was burning all those waxy vapours that were left behind when I blew the candle out until it went back to the wick. So that's the fuel. The second thing that's needed for the flame to burn is oxygen. And we can prove that it's necessary for a flame to burn by removing the supply. Now usually oxygen takes up about 20% of the air around us, so there's plenty keeping it going now. But if I put this jar over the top, it will use up all the oxygen supply on the inside, and there's no way for any more to get in. So eventually the candle will guzzle it all up and go out. Now the third part of the fire triangle is energy. Now the candle is actually making its own energy because it's producing heat. And now that heat energy is fueling the fire. But I can remove the heat simply by blowing cold air over it. When the heat is removed, part of the fire triangle has been removed, so the fire goes out.